If you watch this video till the end, I can guarantee that your life will change for the better and you will be able to manifest your dream life with so much ease that you will be shocked. Ki, how is this even happening in your life? Hi, my name is Drishti and welcome to my channel, The Gypsy Moon Child. Those who are new, make sure you subscribe as well. And to old subscribers, I know it's been a long time that I've shown my face, but I'm here to teach you something valuable today. And before we start, I would like to tell you that there's a free gift for all the people who comment on this video. So watch this video till the end. I'm sure you have been seeing a lot of videos that talk about law of attraction, manifestation, affirmations, gratitude, and whatnot. In this video, I'm going to teach you what I've learned in the last 6 years of my life. I know it can get a little bit confusing. When I was beginning my spiritual journey, I was as confused as you are today. As I moved forward in my life, I understood the true meaning behind all of this. Manifestation is no magic. I am going to today tell you how it actually works. It is how you can rewire your brain to attract the life that you've always wished for. When we talk about affirmations, gratitude, vision boards, all of these are actually tools to help you manifest. They are not something different. They are just the tools that you can use to attract your dream life. So affirmations are the positive statements that you tell yourself about your life, about yourself, so that you only attract positivity in your life, and from then onwards you attract good things. Just imagine that a person is really struggling in his or her life and that person is very depressed and sad. And if I keep telling that person to use affirmations, to say good things about his or her life, then I'm sure that person will do it 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days. But then that person will, at some point of time, realize that what am I even doing? My life is not that great. They'll start to see the reality very soon, and then they will lose the essence of the process. And whenever you are in a negative situation, you will not be able to think positive. It is going to be very, very difficult. And that is why a lot of people are not able to actually go ahead with affirmations and complete it and reach the point of manifestation. A lot of people actually break in the middle of the process and they're like, this is stupid, it's not working. But I'll tell you the reason why. Right away, jumping into the process of affirmation is incorrect. First, you have to acknowledge, you have to accept where you are right now. You have to make sure that you are grateful for whatever you have in your life right now. So gratitude comes even before you start the process of affirmation. This will actually rewire your brain into thinking that even if you are surrounded by the negativity, there's one thing that you have to be very, very grateful for. Like if you are struggling with money, but you're able to eat every day, so be thankful for that. I am sure you can find at least 3 to 4 things in your life that you have to be grateful for. So start practicing gratitude first. It could be the last thing you do before going to the bed, or it could also be the first thing you do in the morning when you wake up. And you can do both as well. I can guarantee you it will change the way you see your life. Moving on to the process of affirmation, I am not saying that you leave gratitude behind. You have to keep practicing your gratitude, but at least practice it for a week. When you see the shift in your mindset, then you can proceed ahead with the affirmation process as well. So there are different ways of using affirmations. A lot of people put up some wallpaper in their phone, or they want to attach some posters on the wall. You see it right when you wake up. Some people like to write it, some people like to speak in front of the mirror, some people like to listen to it. You do you. Whatever way you like, you can do it. There are no restrictions, there are no limits. Use them as many times as you want in a day. Like suppose you're in a stressful situation, you have to go and give an interview and you're really, really scared. You're not very confident. So what would you say to yourself? I am confident. I can crack this interview. I am capable enough of getting this job. I have the right skills to get this job. Just keep repeating these things in your head, or speak it out loud, or listen to them, whatever you like it. And you will get the instant boost of confidence. And you say your gratitude prayer. You can then also write your affirmations and then sleep. If you like to visualize, like when you are laying down on your bed right before you fall asleep, just start imagining what your life should look like and really feel it. One thing that a lot of people miss out when they use affirmations is the intention behind it. If you're just writing it out for the sake of it, if you're just reading it for the sake of it, it's not gonna work, guys. You have to really feel every little emotion behind those affirmations. You have to really feel that it is currently happening for you. You have to believe in it. Unless you're not really feeling the emotions behind it, it's never gonna happen. I can assure you of that. If you want to buy a house, start imagining how the house should look like. Like, it should have a garden, it should have a huge living room, what kind of a sofa you would want in that house, how should your kitchen look like. Imagine every little detail. Imagine yourself in that house, having a cup of tea or coffee, spending time with your family in that house, whatever you want to imagine. Just go deep into your imagination and really start feeling it. Once you start visualizing it, just leave it there and go to sleep. Once you've done writing your affirmations, close your notebook and leave it. Do not keep thinking about it. Do not get into the desperation mode of seeking the things that you want, that you need. A lot of people also make a mistake here when they write affirmations or when they visualize. They often tend to be in that desperate energy that I want it. They keep asking the question, when will this happen? When will this happen? How will this happen? They are curious and they just keep thinking about it. You do not have to get into that energy. You are showing to the universe that somewhere you're not sure that you are capable of it. I will tell you one thing very honestly. The universe doesn't understand anything except for your frequency. If your frequency is of desperation, if your energy is of desperation, you will not get what you want or what you need, what you desire. But if you show universe that your energy, your frequency matches what are you desiring, universe will definitely give it to you. It will not listen to your prayers, it will not listen to what you're seeking, but it will only resonate to your frequency. So suppose you want to buy a car and you've put that thought out there in the universe that what car do you want. Exactly visualize the color, the model that you want to purchase, the brand that you are looking for, whatever. Just imagine the car, your dream car, the color of it, the where you're gonna buy it from. Shortlist everything and think about every little detail about that car. Put that thought out there in the universe and then just surrender. Just forget about it, but start living your life as if you've already gotten the car. Start finding the service centers nearby. Do not worry about the how. How will you buy it? Where will the money come from? All of these questions will show the doubt that you have in your mind. You just have to start believing that it's already happening for you. Put this thought out there that I am going to buy this car in this particular color and from this particular showroom, and this is the service center near to my house, and I am having it, I'm driving it every night before going to bed. Imagine you driving that car, your family sitting right there inside the car with you. Whatever you want to imagine, just imagine having a good time with that car. Let's take another example. If you want to attract a right partner, I'm sure a lot of us want to do it. So for that, imagine the qualities that would be there in that person. Imagine their face, imagine their qualities, imagine how they're treating you. Imagine going on dates with them. Imagine getting married to them, whatever your goal is. Also start treating yourself the way you would want your partner to treat you. You want them to give you flowers, give yourself flowers, and imagine that person is giving to you. I know it sounds crazy, and if someone sees you doing that, they will also feel that you're crazy. But once you attract the right partner, the same people will be jealous of you. Be delusional just a little bit. So these little things are going to act as a catalyst in your process of manifestation, and they will make your life very easy. You will actually start to feel the change in yourself as a person, and then obviously around you in your life as well. I'm sure a lot of people have actually felt this, that their manifestation is very close, like they're this near to their manifestation and then they lose it. I will tell you honestly how and why this happens. Once you see your dream life coming towards you, once you see your manifestations coming true, you start to doubt it. You start to question it, that is it really happening? How is this happening? I cannot believe it. It sounds too good to be true. All of these thoughts start coming to your mind, and these thoughts only indicate that you do not trust the universe, that you do not trust yourself. You are again lowering down your frequency and you're creating a doubt in your head. And again, your frequency changes and your manifestation does not actually come true. You were this close to your dream life, and boom, it's gone. So keep vibrating on the same frequency and let universe acknowledge your frequency and match it, and then I'm sure it will come true for you. Because let's be very honest, universe is not on a budget, so go ask away. Start manifesting your dream life. I know the whole process can get a little bit confusing for you guys, so that's why I have curated a whole ebook for all the beginners who want to manifest their dream life. And currently it's on a huge discount. The link to purchase it is in the description box below. Click on the link and buy your copies now. I have talked about my own personal experience in that guide, and I have talked about every little detail in that ebook just to make it very simple for you, so that manifestation doesn't seem to be a rocket science anymore, and you can actually attract your dream life very easily. So go ahead, buy your copies right now. The link is in the description box and it's on a huge discount. It's just a launch offer, so it's going to be for a very limited time. Go ahead, buy your copies. Also, for a lot of people, I know it gets difficult to write affirmations, so I have also curated a list of 100 plus affirmations for you. I have covered 11 categories of your life, like relationships, money, abundance, pregnancy. A lot of other areas of life have been covered in that bundle, and that bundle is also on a huge discount. The link to it is also in the description box, so go purchase your copies now. And I forget, in the beginning of the video I mentioned that there's a surprise gift for all the people who comment on this video. For all of you, I have a free gratitude guide. Comment down your email IDs below and I will send your free copy of the gratitude guide, because like I said, gratitude is the beginning of the process of manifestation. It's the first step of manifestation and it is very important, so you cannot miss it at any cost. Comment down your email IDs below to claim your free gratitude guide. And yes, that was it for this video. If you like it, then let me know in the comments below. And if you want to share any of your experience with manifestation, feel free to comment below and let's talk. I also post daily readings on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there as well. The link is again in the description box. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, love and light. Take care. Bye-bye. Happy manifesting.